Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to upload high quality video on TikTok. So if you upload TikToks and after uploading you see the quality is not great and you want to fix it, then I'll show you how it could be possible. So first simply go and open that TikTok app, and once it gets open, then on the bottom you can see we have 5 options. You have to click onto that middle one, which is the plus icon. Simply click onto it and select the video that you want to post from your files. Then once you have choose which video you want to post, select it, and if you want to do any editing, like on the right side we have options, you can add the audio, filters and stuff. Simply do it and go to the next. Once you click onto the next, then you will see all these options. Now at the bottom you can see we have this option which is for more options. If you click onto it further, you will see few options. From these options, you have to scroll down a bit and then you will see this option which is high quality uploads. You just have to simply turn this option on. So once you turn this option, then it will be turned on for all of your future uploads. And after that, whatever video you upload, even if you upload the pictures, all of them will be uploaded at the highest quality possible. But one thing you have to understand that it will take more internet and it will take more time to upload the video. So if you're okay with that, then you can just simply turn it on. Otherwise, there's no other option to get the highest quality of video. So that's how you can upload high quality videos on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.